This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. Union Home Minister Amit Shah said that the central government is committed to the all-round development and lasting peace in the northeastern region. Speaking after laying the foundation stone for a medical college and 9 law colleges in Assam yesterday, Mr. Shah said the NDA government led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi has always kept the northeastern region in its focus. He said that several separatist factions in the region have forced the youth to take up arms, and the central government has ensured that these factions join the mainstream. He alleged that the earlier governments under the Congress did not do anything to bring back the youth from the path of insurgency. The Home Minister asserted that Assam has also embarked on a journey of peace and development under Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal and Finance Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma. The Home Minister also urged farmers agitating against the new agricultural laws to resolve their issues through discussions. Union Home Minister Amit Shah will visit Manipur today. During his visit, Mr. Shah will lay the foundation stone for 7 major projects and inaugurate other 2 projects. He will also inaugurate the statewide rollout of e-office during his short visit to the state. Union Minister in charge, Donor Dr. Jitendra Singh, will also attend the function. He will address a public gathering at Hapta Kangjebong in Imphal. The state government has taken strict security arrangement for the Union Minister's visit. With the improvement of COVID-19 situation in Assam, the inflow of domestic tourists to the Kaziranga National Park has increased. Divisional Forest Officer of Kaziranga, Ramesh Gogoi, informed that revenue earning from the visit of foreign tourists is likely to dip this year considering the situation. According to information, the Kaziranga National Park has collected revenue worth 75 lakh rupees in the last 2 months. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share his thoughts with the people in the country and abroad in the Mann Ki Baat program of All India Radio today at 11 a.m. It will be the 72nd episode of the monthly radio program. The program will be broadcast on the entire network of All India Radio and Doordarshan and All India Radio News website www.newsonair.com and News on Air mobile app. It will also be streamed live on the YouTube channels of All India Radio, DD News, PMO and Information and Broadcasting Ministry. The BJP in Assam held its state core committee meeting in Guwahati yesterday, which was also attended by Union Home Minister and senior BJP leader Amit Shah. Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal, State Party President Ranjit Kumar Das, among other leaders attended the meeting. Party sources said the party's election strategy for the assembly election next year was discussed in the meeting. Mr. Shah also discussed the implementation of various development schemes in the state in the core committee meeting. On the other hand, former Congress Minister Ajanta Niyog and sitting MLA Rajideep Gawala met Mr. Shah in Guwahati. Both of them will join the BJP. The BJP has swept the Pasighat municipal body elections in Arunachal Pradesh. Counting of votes for the Panchayat and municipal elections was held yesterday. The BJP won 6 out of 8 wards. Former Pasighat Municipal Council Chief Kaling Dorok and 5 other new faces have won the elections for the BJP. Opposition Congress retained only 2 seats. In the 20-seat Itanagar Municipal Corporation, the BJP has won 10 wards, JDU 9 and NPP managed to win only 1. It may be mentioned that 6,401 Gram Panchayat seats and 99 Zila Parishad constituencies have already been declared elected unopposed. Elections for 1,702 Gram Panchayat seats and 141 Zila Parishad constituencies were held on the 22nd of this month. Meghalaya recorded 3 new COVID-19 related deaths from East Khasi Hills district yesterday, taking the death toll to 138. 2 new positive cases and 45 recoveries were also reported. There are 12,985 recovered cases and 248 active cases at present. Meghalaya recorded 13,371 total confirmed COVID-19 cases. Nagaland also detected 2 COVID-19 positive cases, taking the tally of confirmed cases to 11,897. Currently, the state has 274 active COVID-19 patients. In Manipur, 33 new COVID-19 positive cases were confirmed, while 84 persons were discharged. Manipur has 1,301 active cases, The total number of positive cases is 27,976. So far, 344 people have died due to the pandemic. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.